Hello guys, today I will show you how to easily replace skies in Photoshop. Go to Select, Sky. And the artificial intelligence will select the sky. Now go to Edit, Sky Replacement. It will take some time. There are some presets, you can choose anyone from them. You can play around with the brightness and temperature. When you're done, all the changes will be added in a group called Sky Replacement. So that was it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.